बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैथ्स क्लास 9 चैप्टर 3 एक्सरसाइज 3.4 very important question. This question 2 is very important and this question 2 is of exercise 3.4. Over here he has given pressure, he has given volume and n 5 by 4 and the law that is expanding of gas, so the gas is expanding according to this law. Now over here he asks that find the value of C. Required find value of C. So I will go step by step. I will request your only that you should pay attention and total focus on this, because once you will make friendship with this subject, then this is a very sincere subject. You will never forget throughout your life. Other subject you may forget, but this maths you will never forget. So first of all I will write formula. Formula is C is equal to P V N. Now or what we have to find? We have to find the value of C, and value of that P is 80. So instead of P write 80 over here. Value of N is 3.1. So in place of V write 3.1 here, and N is given 5 by 4. Then in place of that N write 5 by 4 here, and you have to find the value of this. So it is strongly recommended that you should go log applications, process log applications over here. So for that purpose take log on both sides. So that is log C and that is log 80 and 3.1 and 5 by 4 here. Now what you did nothing special. Only you have written, that is you have written log over here and you have written log over here. Other are the same as above. That is C, that is 80 and that is 3.1 raised power 5 by 4. Now you are familiar with the formulas of log. So I will draw a line over here and I will refresh your formulas. That is, if that log m multiplied by n, that if two numbers are multiplying with each other and there is a log over here, so you can write it like this, that log m, then place sign plus over here and log n. log n. Now this is your m, this is your n, this is your m, this is your n. So this is your m, and this is your n. Once you will apply this, then please go step by step. Don't leave minor steps. So that will be log 80 and log 3.1 raised to the power 5/4 here. Now there is other formula, that log m raised to the power n. So you can take this n over here. So n log m. So that is log 80 and 5/4 here and log 3.1. Now you can take log of 80. So log of 80 is equal to 1.9031 and then 5/4 and log of 3.1 is 0.4914. Once you simplify them, then you will get over here 2.5174 and over here log c. Now you have to find the value of c. Further, I will write it over here. That is log c is equal to 2.5174. So once you will take this log on the other side, that log will become anti-log. So c will be equal to anti-log of 2.5174. So c will be equal to 329.2. So these questions are not difficult. They require your little bit practice. They require that you should be able to apply the formulas. So last I will again write formulas, that if there is log m into n, then that will always be equal to log m plus log n. And once there is a log m divided by n, so that will be log m minus log n. And when there will be log m raised power n, so that will be n log m. So please remember these formulas. That will make your life more and more comfortable, and that will be easy for you to attempt questions correctly, and you will be rewarded full marks. Thank you very much. Allah bless you. Allah reward you. Assalamu alaikum.